Hi everyone, welcome to Essential Excel Skills on a Time Budget, starting out with spreadsheets. My name is Julie Sidoni and I am the Social Sciences Librarian here at the University of Idaho Library. In this video, we are going to discuss key terminology in Excel, as well as adding, deleting, and renaming sheets. An entire Excel file is called a workbook, and every workbook includes one or more sheets. When you open a new Excel file, Sheet 1 is automatically created at the bottom of your workbook. The data in Excel is organized into columns and rows. The intersection between a column and a row is called a cell. Tabs appear at the top of every Excel workbook and help you utilize many features, such as creating charts and graphs or sorting your data. The formula bar is where you can see the formulas and functions you've inserted into specific cells. Depending on your data, you may want to add multiple sheets to your workbook, delete sheets, or rename them. To insert a sheet, click the plus sign at the bottom of your workbook. To delete a sheet, right-click the sheet name, then select Delete. If you have data within the sheet that you were deleting, that data will be deleted as well. To rename a sheet, right-click the sheet name, select Rename, and then type the new sheet name. Then click somewhere in your workbook to save that rename. Thank you for watching Starting Out with Spreadsheets. Be sure to check out our other Essential Excel Skills videos.